If there's one thing that I have a huge love-hate relationship with, it's running. I couldn't run at all. I couldn't even run more than 1 minute in a row. If I tried for 2 minutes, I would just get out of breath, I would get aches in my side, and I would just stop. I couldn't do it. I started running with this app or this podcast. It was a Belgian podcast. I think most Dutch people will know it, from Evie Greijaerts. It would help you go from nothing to being able to run 5 kilometers in a row. I liked it. I was able to continue with it because it was like small chunks of runs with lots of walking in between, and I was able to build my running stamina. Right now I'm still not a good runner. For me it's like the ultimate test of fitness, because I knew that I couldn't do it before, and now I know that I can. So I really appreciate that that has changed. So today what we're gonna do is run. I think one of the most important things with running is, if you haven't done a lot of running before, and if you've tried it and you've noticed back pain or things like that, that you really build it up slowly. What I would recommend is doing intervals. Like I mentioned, the AV podcast really helped me with that, but there's lots of other applications and things that could help you with that. Or even just putting your timer on your phone at 1 minute, for example, where you get a beep every minute. You could create your own interval training by doing, 1 minute of running, 1 minute of rest, and maybe 2 minutes of running, 2 minutes of rest, things like that. So I don't have a fixed schedule for you. I'm not a running expert. But I think it's good for this first session to just go for a 20-minute run, but implement as many walks as you need to make it enjoyable for yourself. Today, even if you really think you can't run, just go for a walk. Go for a 20 or 30-minute walk. Make sure it's a fast pace and it's still, a good active moment. Please go out to a nice forest, the beach, a park, whatever you have nearby. Don't go on a treadmill in the gym. That's just not inspiring at all. Yeah, I'm gonna go start my run now. You start yours, and I hope you enjoy it. Some people like to talk while they're running. I'm not one of them. Like, now I'm fine, 5 minutes in, I'll be breathing like a crazy maniac. I won't be able to speak at all. So yeah, if you're like me, just try not to talk. Just enjoy the run. Being silent, focus on your breathing, makes it much easier. A nice little run for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the little run as well. Like I said before, if you've never run before, you're not used to it, I would really recommend building it up slowly to keep it fun for yourself, but also to make sure you don't injure yourself. Do the weekly workout, keep building on some strength and core, and then do some running next to it. And that should be very enjoyable, should really increase your fitness. And it brings you outside, and being outside is the best thing in the world. So don't go in the gym, don't do it on the treadmill. That's no fun, that's not inspiring, that won't give you energy. But go outside, whether it's raining, whether the sun is out. Some people will say it's too hot, it's too cold, it's too wet. No, it's not. Just go outside, feel nature. It will give you energy no matter what. So go do it.